This eye-catching washing machine from LG is perfect if you're looking for a model with amazing technology to give your clothes optimum care. It has a 1400 RPM spin speed, an incredible A++ energy rating, and a large 12kg drum capacity. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. LG's 6-motion technology mirrors hand-washing techniques to give different fabrics, like silk or denim, tailored care with every wash. The drum moves in 6 different speeds and directions, depending on the program. This includes tumble, rolling, scrubbing, filtration, stepping, and swing. So, no matter which program you choose, your clothes will be in safe hands. This model's direct drive motor is quieter, more efficient, and longer lasting than normal motors. It's attached directly to the drum and uses frictionless magnets instead of a belt and pulley to power the machine. This makes it great for open-plan living, as you can use it any time of the day, even when it's movie night. If you're looking for a washing machine with amazing technology to give your clothes optimum care, this model from LG is the ideal choice.